Jaden, what sort of cuttlefish is that?
Look at that. You don't get these very often, but this is a deep sea John Dory.
There's the first.
Look at that.
It's aggressive.
Well, the day's getting a bit more interesting because wind's picking up. Holy look at this. Look at that. Now that's a nice size.
Yes, I'm so excited.
But no, he's dead. I think. No. Look at the size of that.
That's a big gurnard.
That's a massive gurnard. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the bend in the rod, boy.
That's what I've been missing.
It's a beauty.
The one I thought was fantastic before the suck, so this is actually
What
going to
we're
be away.
going to do now is don't lose it.
No pressure. Don't even put that hoodoo on me, whatever you do. You said it was big.
Let's go up. Heading out with the Gaz man. G'day Gaz. Jade and Scott.
Are we?
Anyway, so we're going to go to another location today. This is one of our favourite places. We're expecting to get some jewfish, snapper. That's about it. I don't know what else. Anyway, a little bit swelly. But we're on the Sea Dog, the boat. Should be alright. Got a small window, but rain is coming. Make a little wet. Thanks for watching too. Hit the bell so you know when the next episode comes out, which is every Sunday. See what we get today. Well, we're here. It's a little bit chilly. Jaden's just getting the rigs out. You're pre-made rigs. Gary, what are you doing?
Chuck a jig on Jaden's rod.
Oh, the Gaz man is putting a... Oh, this is Jaden's rod.
At your back.
Jaden, this is what we got all our hooks and stuff made up. Let's have a look here. So they're all our rigs. Pre-make the rigs up so that way when we're fishing, when we lose the rigs, we just clip another one on. And we will lose some rigs, I'm sure. Get it set up. And then we're going to do a drift. Alright, so we're in the water. Jane, what are you doing, mate?
Jigging.
You're jigging? What do you got on?
Legacy 160 grams.
Right. What are you doing, Gary?
Swatting flies. Not even actually.
Now, what do you got? What do you got, bait or you jigging one?
Bait.
Bait? Okay, well, I'm doing the use, I'm on bait and doing the motion of the ocean method. Let's see what happens. Motion of the ocean, baby.
Not just you either.
No, and
J-Dog's got a bend.
hooked up. I reckon he might have a big sea dog, I reckon.
And then me,
what
support crew, no bend in that rod. Somebody's got to help him take the fish off the hook. What do you got, Jaden? Any call? Big angry fish.
It's not a sambo? Alright, snapper then, hopefully.
Okay.
Woo! Look at the size of that. Pull that dog up, mate. Look at that. What you see the street is what you get. Just look. That's a big dog. Alright, what's J-Dog got? While we're just waiting for Jay, Gary, just pick up one of those muleys, will you? Have a look at these muleys. I've never seen muleys this big. And look at them. Look how big these muleys are. And they are wicked. They are wicked. Wicked muleys. Anyway, that's my call. It's a snapper. By the look of your rod. Or it's only going to be one other thing. You know what that is, don't you? Yep. What do you reckon? So it's going to be a sambo or a snapper. That's
Nothing
my call. Sambo or snapper. It's fighting too hard, so. What do you reckon, Gary?
I reckon he got a fish on there.
Yeah, come on now.
Sambo.
Well, you reckon sambo?
Yeah.
Oh, I reckon it might be sambo. It's getting a bit of curry. Too much for a snapper, but I reckon if you get a big snapper, they do that. So, you got colour? Oh, Gary just hooked up. Action man. Right, me sambo? It's been that long you're forgetting what it's like, eh? Yeah, it looks like a sambo. Big sambo. Is it? Is it? It's a sambo. It's a sambo. There he is. Not a bad size. Not massive, but you've caught 10 times bigger than that. What happened? Where's your muscles gone to? I got your rod. I got your rod. Just a look. Just a look. Nice Sambo. Yeah. All right, 24.
Oh, yep.
He's gone. He's a good one. When they're that size, they're usually really good. They go back all right. All right, we're going to reset and go for another one. Jaden's on again. Well, you got a big lump of snot. It is cuttlefish season, so you reckon it's cuttlefish?
Yep.
That's a big cuttlefish. Huh. Oh well. We'll see. Gary loves cuttlefish. Thank you.
Love it. I love it.
He loves it.
Doesn't look like one. Jaden,
Jaden,
what sort of cuttlefish is that?
look at that. Jaden, he's got a horse's Now, we've been fishing a long time here. And you don't get these very often, but this is a deep sea John Dory. Look at it.
Oh, it is lit.
Look at it. Now hold it up. Like, show you get the spikes up.
Look at the hairstyle of
Look
the fella.
at that. That's one of the biggest stories I've seen. Look at that.
Elvis Presley fish.
Look at that.
It's impressive.
Jaden is such a chinny. Look at it.
What do you got, Mick?
What have I got? I think I want to have a lump of seaweed, I reckon. Nah, it's a fish, but I don't know. It's not doing much, so
It's not a cuttlefish. Famous last words,
another
eh,
John
Jaden?
Dory maybe? What are the chances? If I could catch a John Dory, I go buy a lotto ticket. It's got a bit of weight. So I'd say break sea cod,
Yeah, right.
but my line's about 120 metres out, so it's going to be a while.
Plus the 70 down. What about you, Jaden? Nothing. Join the club. Well, Mick, you've been pumping away for the last 10 minutes.
It's pulling away. Yeah, I got colour, I got colour. I got colour.
What's
What
the
do we
deal?
got? What do we got? What do we
Sweep.
got? It's a sweep.
Woo, short
Sweep.
netting. You want any netting? No. There you go, Mick. What a big dog.
Talking. Now we're talking. Hey, Gaz. Hey, mate.
I get excited when I get him in the boat.
Jane, you on, bud? Nothing too big, eh? Just another John Dory, you reckon? What are the chances? What are the chances? Then a guys. Alright, good shoulders on him. But size is a bit questionable. But
Right species, wrong size.
sorry, bud.
Right species, wrong size.
Yeah, a little bit small. We'll let him live. What's Jaden got? What's Jaden got? Can't be too far away, surely. Surely. Well, the day's getting a bit more interesting because wind's picking up. You can see the white cap, so it's about 15, 18 knots at the moment. Probably getting close to 20 sometimes. Holy shit, look at this. Look at that. Now that's a nice size. That's a nice size. Look at that. Hey, that's what happens when you put a bit of meat on your hooks. See? So kids at home, if you're watching, he doesn't believe in it, but look, see? That's the result. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you call good munging. We got some meat. When they go that colour, you know they're on coral ground. You know they're not on granite or anything. But look at it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful specimen. Beautiful. Jaden the Destroyer is on again. He's destroying. Ah, really? What do you got there, mate? You got a little snapper?
Yeah.
Yeah? Little snapper?
Nothing big.
What are you doing there, Gary?
Well, a little nibble, but I think if he took that muley off, then we're in trouble because they're not very interested in cuttlefish at the moment.
Mmm. They love that chick, black up. Not as big as the other one, but still decent size. Huh, nice.
Not bad.
Yeah, you got the touch today, mate. What does it look like, Gaz?
Might be another one of those big Sergeant Bakers.
You reckon?
Could be.
Got some bait. There it is. There it is. it a sweep? Is it a sweep? No, it's a little pinky. Pinky. Hey, where you going? Oh, nice pinky. Little pinky. But now he's big, I suppose. Just hold him up to the camera. The camera. There he is. Look at that little pinky. Nice. I love what I love about the snap is that, you know, little blue spots. Cutie pie, like cutie pie.
What do you call that?
It's not very big, but it's a fish. I didn't want to show you beforehand because it's unconventional.
Unconventional, but it certainly seems to reap reward.
Right. The rain's coming in. Look.
Yes, yep, bit of a washout.
Big broad band of rain coming. Oh well. I'll show you the same dog. They're not from the fair way away. I think. No. Look at the size of that.
That's a big gurnard.
That's a massive gurnard. Look at that. That's a big dog. Woo.
Give him a pat.
Yeah, give him a pat, especially on the top. Yeah, right on the top.
Rub his back. Tickle his belly.
Apparently they're good eating.
Apparently. Maybe get claws there.
Yeah, mate. Well, Gary's on. Hey? Well, it is raining.
Every time we see him, he's on.
But what happened was that I missed the spot, and Gary goes, "Oh, don't worry, mate. We'll see what's on this side." So look. Thanks, Gary.
Well, it's the best fish I've had on there for about, I don't know, a long time.
Look at that. Look at the bend in the rod, boy.
That's what I've been missing.
It's a beauty!
The one I thought was fantastic before sucked, so this is actually
What
going
we're going to do now is don't lose it.
No pressure. Don't even put that hoodoo on me, whatever you want.
Well.
Drop a snapper, I reckon. Plain or pink?
I really must be pink.
It's still wet down the bottom.
Nice.
Oh, here we go, a bit of colour. You know what that is, Gary?
Is it Dewey? Is it Dewey?
Snapper.
Dewey! I told you it was a Dewey.
It wasn't a snapper at all.
Got a baby pupper.
I'm on. For the bottom, or the other?
Bottom.
Hey!
What a mistake.
Bit of meat. Now what, I'll take it. I might not have got the call right, but...
Oh, that's fine. Dewey. What do you got there, Jay? Hey?
Don't know.
Dewey?
Dewey maybe?
Looks like a Dewey to me. Nice little bend of the rod there. Snapper. Not a bad little haul for a spot we just came across, which is really awesome. I like that. Queen snapper. The Dewey spot. What you got, Gary? Dewey!
Dewey!
That's it, buddy. That's a Dewey, huh?
Get that
I
sandbite,
told you this is my Dewey spot. I told you this is my Dewey spot,
Get
mate.
that sandbite, brother.
Aye?
You're the only sandbite catcher around here.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
This is a Dewey. That's a Dewey all day. All day.
Yeah.
Good to see Gary got a Dewey on my Dewey spot. Hey.
Hey,
Well, I'm hoping it's going to be a
as
Dewey.
well I had that mark in my phone.
I already had it.
Yeah.
Ah. What are you doing, mate? What are you doing? Yeah.
Watching him catch a sambo.
It's not a sandbag, mate. Oh, Jaden! Oh, you lost it. Woo! He's fighting, ready. Let's get the hook up. Let's get the hook up. Oh, Jaden. Oh, yep, he got it. He got it. He lost it. He lost it.
Bait on there, there's a juicy little piece here, right?
20 kilo Dewey?
Oh, no, probably about 15.
Oh, I don't think so.
It's a stretchy rod.
Jaden's still on. Still got an interest. Knock, knock. Who's there? Sambo.
Sambo.
Anyway, we'll see how it comes up. Nah, 0 on nothing.
So you know you're in a good spot. Nothing there.
It's a dewy all day. Dewy, I told you, it's dewy all day. Hold that dog over here. Hold it.
You said it was big.
Told you it was a dewy boy.
Not bad. Whee!
Look at the big, fat,
That's nothing, is that?
big, fat, juicy, chewy.
Wait.
Why?
Okay.
It's about 12 kilos.
Both boys have got something on, but neither of them looks like my big Jewy.
No, it's not. But it's meat.
Mate. And Michael is dropping down, what do you call that? The octopus jig?
Hockey.
Hockey jig.
Yeah.
With a little bit of a sweetener of cuttlefish on there. So it should smell like the thing. And it worked a treat. Might have taken you 5 minutes to get to the bottom, but got nailed pretty much straight away. What do you got, Jaden? Bait. Bait. Sergeant Bakey, you reckon? What do you reckon? What do you call them?
I'm just not moving much at all, so I don't know, maybe a small nanny maybe I've got.
Nannies are good.
But I think it's chuck back.
Not too much more rain at the moment. Just the odd chair coming through.
Daddy's got a nice nanny.
Beautiful.
Nice little ugly hockey thing, whatever they call it.
Well, you nailed it. You must have thought it looked good enough. There's the proof. Lightning job. No accidental hookups around here.
Not today.
Well done. Alright. He's just hit the bottom. Doing a little locking jig again. And this one is considerably larger, judging by the bend in the rod.
What's this dog?
What would you say about
Hey?
big break seat?
Big breaks here, yeah.
Woohoo!
Need a hand there, mate?
Oh,
Look at that. Beautiful break seat. Woo. Now that's a break seat. Look at that.
it's too big, Mick. I can't fit him in the screen. I'd say stand back, but you over the side.
Look at that.
Beautiful big fish. You're talking about that peachy colour before, so they're on coral.
On coral, buddy.
Well done.
Nice size. Look at that dog. Well, we'll come back in. The boys just going to fillet some fish. I'm just doing this side over here. Gary's just doing the nice dewy he got. And the rest we're going to give away. What's Jaden doing? What are you doing, Jay? You're doing the breaksea cod. Yeah. So anyway, so then that way then when we get home, we've only got the boat clean and other stuff to do. But anyway guys, thanks for watching again. Managed to get out a couple of days in a row, which is good. We're hoping to get out again tomorrow and do some river fishing, but we'll see how the day pans out. Otherwise, really appreciate you guys watching. Share it around if you want, that is, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you. See you soon. Bye. It is Sunday morning, about 4:35 o'clock, but it is freezing. Anyway, here's a little sea-boo. Good morning! Yeah. Morning boys!
Hey guys, morning.
You going? That's a big bonito. And he just jagged him on the side too. Oh no, you got one in the mouth. Another one. Well, at least that made our day a bit more exciting. Oh my God, nanny guy. Nice nanny guy. Nanny guy. On that. Oh well, no bait, no munging. Now that is beautiful. It's not raw.
So,
That is actually surprisingly good.
tastes pretty good.
See?